Think you need a computer to create stunning animations? What if I told you your phone is all you need? That's right, stick around, and I'll show you how to turn simple ideas into scroll-stopping animations using just Canva on your phone. Let's make magic happen. Without wasting your time, let's make magic happen. Download Canva app, and you will see this interface. Click on New Design, and select Video Format. Now go to Elements tab. Now search for City Background. Now switch to Graphic tab. Search for Best Graphic for You design. I will select this design. Adjust your design. Now again go to Elements and search for our character. I will search for Walking Person. Here is a quick hack to find your animated character. Click on 3 dot and filter Animated Only. Now you will see only animated characters. Click on the character to bring it to your design. Let's adjust the position of our character and place her in the edge of our design so that we can create a walking animation. Nice! Let me make some final adjustment and make ready for animation. Time to bring our character to life. Scroll down for other options until you see animation. After clicking on it, you will see different options such as pan and fade. Scroll until you see this bee icon. Click on it. Now you drag the character on the other side of the screen for making a walking effect. And always choose your animation style to smooth or steady. There you have it, easy and effective way to create animation. Now let's shift gear and make another type of animation. Click on Plus tab. Go to Elements and search for Background. This time let's create moving car animation. Let's find road first and adjust its position. Then let's find animated car. Remember to filter only animated. I will select this one and adjust its position. I will also flip to other direction as well and adjust its position. Now, like we did previously, let's animate by clicking on Animate button and select the bee icon. Drag the character from one side to the other. Choose animation style to steady. And there is your animated car animation. Now for the last one, let's create something vibrant. Again go to Elements tab. This time search for Room. I will press 3 dot and remove the animation filter so that I can see all the static images and adjust its position. Now again filter animated so that we can find dynamic characters. I will select this and adjust. Now give it a final touch-up by adding transition to our design. To do that, press on middle icon. Now add transition to make it look professional. After that, press download and select MP for format. If you want to learn more about Canva animation, then you can watch my other tutorial to master animations.